double milkshake maker. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 9 inches, depth of 7.5 inches, and a height of 19.5 inches tall. The measurements for each cup will include 3 3/4 inches for the top radius, 2.5 inches for the bottom and lowest radius. Coming to the left and right are 2 mixing needles. Each needle will have a height of 7 inches in length. Please note that 7 inches applies for the needles in this fixed position. Coming to the right will be the toggle switch for operation. By removing the cup, located on the bottom and top are 2 clips. So when you insert the cup back into position, those 2 clips will hold the cup. Coming to the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.